Hello kids, welcome back to our maths class. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy at home. Children, today we are going to start our third chapter. Are you ready children? What is our chapter name? Addition and subtraction. Lesson 3. Lesson 3. Addition and subtraction. Okay, today we will be dealing with a new topic. It is addition. Okay, what do you mean by addition? Do you know? Addition. What do you mean by addition? Addition means adding. Addition means adding. Right children? Okay children, addition means when we add two different objects, it gave us a sum of the total objects. So in addition, basically we will be learning two terms. Okay, we can write the keywords. Okay, we can learn keywords. Here we will be seeing some keywords, right children? The first one will be R, second one will be total, all together sum, more, isn't it? It is more. Okay, these are our keywords. Okay, so what do you understood by these new words, children? All these words are similar, right? All these words are similar. Add, total, all together sum, more. Okay, when I say add, it means that I have one object with me and I get another object. Okay, I have one object with me and I get another object. Okay, maybe say one of my friend gave me another object. So when I add the first one and the second one, the number which I get in together, it is called as addition. Okay, it is called as addition. Okay, similarly total. So by explaining this, I shall tell you a small story. Okay, so there was a father and he had a son. One day, this father and the son decided to go for the beach. So there the father had a basket. Their father had a basket and both the father and the son started to do the fishing. Do you like fishing? What do you mean by fishing? We sit near the beach and with the rod just take the fish from the water. Right children? Okay. So now here the father had a basket. Father had a basket. Okay. He had a basket. And in this basket he had two fish. How many fish children? Two fish. Two fish. He had two fish. He already kept these fishes in the basket. Okay, so he was having two fishes in the basket and he is very happy. Okay, he is very happy to see the fishes. Okay, after some time he saw that in one more basket there was one small little fish got again. Then one more basket and he saw a small little fish again. Okay, he saw one small little fish again. Now the boy asked his father, Daddy, is this fish also for me? Is this fish also for me? So the father said that, yes my dear, you have already two fishes with you and I gave you one more fish. Already two fishes with you and I gave one more fish. Okay, already how many fishes with him? Two fishes and his father gave me one more fish. Okay, his father gave me one more fish. So how many fishes? We also have two fishes and extra one. So we have to add this. We will add. Total how many fishes in total? Total how many fishes? Here 2, 1. 2 plus 1. What is? 3. Okay, there are 3 fishes, right children? 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have 3 fishes. In total 3 fishes. So this boy is having 3 fishes with him in his basket. Children, this is my first number. It is second number. Okay. First number plus second number, we got the answer. Okay, first number plus second number, we got the answer. This is the symbol of addition. Okay, this is the symbol of addition. We will say it as plus. Okay, this is plus sign, symbol of plus, addition, adding. When adding, we have to use this symbol. Okay, when we write the answer, we have to write the equal symbol also. We have to put the equal symbol. Okay, 2 plus 1, first number plus second number, we get the third number, we get the answer. Do you understand, children? Okay, very good. And this process is called as addition. This process is called as addition. Is it clear, children? Okay, now we will be learning this addition through some more examples. Shall we start? Shall we begin, children? Okay. Look here, children. Now, here I am having 3 stars with me. How many stars? 3 stars with me. Right? How many stars I have? 1, 2, 3. 3 stars. My mother gave me 3 more stars. My mother gave me 3 more stars. I have 3 stars. Then my mother gave me 3 more stars. So how many stars I have in total? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Isn't it? Is it clear? I have 3 stars. Then my mother gave me 3 stars also. Then we can count the total number of stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many stars I have in total? I have 6 stars. I have 6 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have in total 6 stars. The 3 stars which I already have, 3 new stars my mother gave. Right? As I told you, children, doing the addition we need to use the addition symbol. Doing the addition we need to use the symbol of addition. Then we need to give the equal to symbol. Okay, we need to give the equal to symbol. Okay, look here, children. I have 4 balls. How many balls with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls with me. My brother also have few balls. My brother also have few balls. So, how many balls with children? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, my brother has 3 balls with him. My brother has 3 balls with him. Shall we count the balls which we have in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So, I have 4 balls with me. 3 balls with my brother. And when I add the remaining 3. And when I add the remaining 3 balls with me, we have to add this 4 balls. Then 5, 6, 7. Okay. When we add the remaining balls, here I have 4 balls. The remaining balls we adding, then 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then in total, one more we can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balls. How many balls, children? 7 balls. 4 balls I already have. And the 3 new balls which my brother has. Right, children? So, total number of balls I have it as 4. We have to put the sign of plus. When we add the adding time, when we add, we have to put the sign. Okay. Then we writing answer, we have to put the equal sign. How many balls is here? 7 balls. Then we have to draw 7 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many balls? 7 balls. So have you understood, children? It is easy to learn. Okay, shall I give you one more example? Are you ready? Okay. Okay, here we go. I have 3 apples with me. How many apples? 3 apples. 1, 2, 3. 3 apples with me. My friend, she gave me 2 more apple. My friend, she gave me 2 more apple. Okay. Okay, now it is how many apples? Already I have 3 apples with me. 1, 2, 3. Then my friend gave me 2 more apples. Right? 1, 2. Okay. Okay. How many apples in total, children? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many apples? 5 apples. I have 5 apples in total. Okay, when we have adding time, we have to put this plus sign. Then write answer. When we writing answer, we have to put the equal. Then we can add, right? 1, 2, 3. 3 apples plus 2 apples. 3 plus 2 is 5 apples. Then we can write here, draw here 5 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we can draw 5 apples. Do you understand, children? So we need to put the plus symbol and we need to put the equal symbol when we do addition. Do you understand, children? Okay. I hope you all understood the topic very easily. Okay. Then we started our third chapter. It is addition and subtraction. Here you have one activity. Okay. You have to count and write the answer. One example is there. Here 2 cakes. 1, 2. How many cakes, children? 2 cakes and here 1 cake. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay. Then you have to add how many apples is there? How many ice creams is there? 1, 2, 3. Then you have to write here 3. Then here also count and write. Then you have to write the answer here. This answer plus this answer. Okay. Count and write the answers. Do you understand, children? Okay. Okay, children. I hope you all understood the topic. Okay. We will meet again. Thank you. Have a nice day.